Listen to that roar of the rocket stove. Gonna be doing some surf and turf today. Hey, you're watching Big Lou Barbecue and the things I want to do. Tigers won the national championship in baseball. It's June of 2025, and I am cooking on a beautiful afternoon, or evening rather, on my rocket stove and be doing some surf and turf. I got some ribeyes. Now, I've already gone ahead and taken the liberty of seasoning up the ribeyes, and it's a seasoning that I make. Listen, if you want to know what the recipe is, LMK down in the comments, and I think I'll make a video on the seasoning because my kids have really been liking the seasoning that I make. And you can make it mild or spicy. I have two ways to make it. Anyway, the steak seasoning. Now, the shrimp, they've got Tony Chachere's that I make because I got the original recipe. Some lime juice, some olive oil, and some herbes de Provence on them. I've already seasoned up the shrimp too. I'm going to cook the shrimp on this Lodge grilling pan, which makes it real easy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set it right down on the rocket stove now. You can hear it crackling. Yeah, it's getting hot. It's gonna get hot too. Lodge grilling pan. I'll have a link down below if you'd like to buy one of these. I really like it. All right, there's my shrimp, and I'm just gonna spoon them out with that slotted spoon right there onto the grilling pan. Now, aren't these beautiful? Just look at that right there. And we're done. All right, sorry you didn't get any footage. My phone battery died, but got it going now. And I'm just gonna scoop them off with a spoon and put them on this plate, just like this. Those are so good. All right, well, I got most of the shrimp residue off of it. About to throw these ribeyes on. They'll go on just like this. Listen to it sizzle. About time to turn them, especially that one. You see it pulling up right there? Oh yeah. Beautiful. This one, that little part came out. That's all right. All right, Thermopin 1 told me to pull the ones that are done. That's gonna be my son. He likes them rare. Real rare. Or that one will be. Yeah, that's the one he wants. All right, got the surf and we got the turf. Eli's already stole some of the surf. How's that shrimp, Eli?
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. On the Patriot Metalworks and Smokers Rocketstove. All right, we're hungry. Time to eat. Who needs vegetables when you got a meal like this? I'm probably gonna throw a baked potato in the microwave. Anyway, thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. Glad I was able to get a video in. Sorry it's sloppy, no camera work, no tripod work or anything like that. But hey, if you want that Patriot Metalworks and Smokers Rocket Stove, I'll leave a link down below. I'm not affiliated with that, but that is my second cousin that makes them, and Dale does a good job with them. And if you like that grill pan, I'll have an affiliated link down below too for that Lodge grill pan. Thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue. It's hot outside and I'm ready to eat.